To set your phone to automatically switch to a better Wi-Fi network in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down to the top of the screen and then tap setting icon, tap connection, and then tap Wi-Fi. Next, tap more icon or three vertical dot icon at the top right, and then select intelligent Wi-Fi. Now tap the gray on off switch next to switch to better Wi-Fi networks to enable this option. When the switch turns blue, it means that this option is on. When this option is on, your phone will automatically switch to Wi-Fi network that are faster and more stable than your current network. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.